First step of our installation process is going to be the power supply. Power supply will go into the power supply compartment. And it lines up pretty easily. Four screws in. Now you'll notice this particular power supply, the XFX, has all of your attached cables on this side. It's going to leave you not a great deal of room to work in here, so you might want to attach your modular cables beforehand before you route everything out the back. Motherboard installation of the Define XL was very smooth and easy. There's absolutely nothing obstructing the motherboard in any way, shape, or form. You've got a ton of room in front to work with, although the compartment does have more of a mid-tower feel than it does a full tower feel because of the compartment ending right here. One other thing you might notice, there is a hatch right here. If you do want to open up the compartment between the power supply and the motherboard, you can do that as well. We're going to leave that sealed and let the power supply have its own heat compartment, let the motherboard have its own heat compartment. Video card installation, once again, not a problem. The tool free was not a problem to use. Thumb screws tightened up well enough where you've got no play in the video card. As you can see, I'm using an ATI 4890, which is no longer the biggest card on the market, but it's still a substantial size card, approximately the same size as a 6870. And you can see there's just a ton of room up front. And if you take out the hard drive cage, there's just a phenomenal amount of space. There's not a video card on the market that's going to come close to not fitting in here. I mean, literally, you could fit almost two 4890s, back to back in here. You've got no clearance problems in this case whatsoever for video. We've installed the hard disk into the hard disk tray using 4 screws. The 4 screws in the hard disk tray are rubber grommeted for vibration dampening and tool-free installation. Done. That simple. With everything installed, taking a look at the backside of the motherboard tray, cable management's very simple and very clean. Very little routing, and there's great routing options. Going around the front, the install is also very clean. There's very, very minimal cable showing, and there's great looking airflow going through the case.